We have the perfect rural property for you. All of you want close to town and a property where you can have your horses and be happy in the house too. Well, we found it for you. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins.
I'm Sarah from the Alisha Collins real estate team, and we're here at our newest listing at 4350 Skyline Road. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house on 3.2 acres.
Before I get to the horses, just look at that Casper Mountain view. There's a fenced area for your horses, and behind me there's a loafing shed that you can corral them or open it so they can access both of the spaces. There's a second smaller pasture on this side that also has a gate and access to the lean-to, so you could rotate the horses around. One thing I love about this property is there is an area that's sectioned off for gardening, dogs, whatever you would like. It has grass and mature trees. Take it away, Sarah.
Right when you walk through the front door, you have lots of space to put your hats, coats, and shoes. This kitchen is the heart of the home. We've got newer cabinets, updated appliances, even a double oven, and an island with a seating area. The kitchen opens up to the dining room, living room, and additional space that you can make yours. This additional area is perfect for gym equipment, an office, an additional living area, or you can make it a sunroom. This is the main bathroom upstairs. It's super updated, super cute vanities, and it walks right into the master bedroom. This bedroom is a great size, has lots of natural light, and a walk-in closet. The second bedroom is adjacent to the master bedroom and is a great size as well. This additional living area features a wood fireplace and walks out to the patio and backyard. The downstairs also features 2 additional bedrooms with lots of space and an updated bathroom.
We would love to show you this property. It is perfect. It's where rural meets convenience.
Remember, we want you
and your horses
to love where you live.
See you soon.